Here's your poop. Look at that. How is it? Huh? You sit down. I'll let you go back. One more.
Wheel fall. And I don't know if it's real though. Well, I can see it's opening. Guys, we're going to the mud. We're almost there.
Ayun yung pupuntahan namin, oh. Yan. Maliit lang na barn ito. Farm ito eh. Bone Straw Farm.
I think they'll lick my shirt because this it has a yummy taste.
Yeah, marami din bata rito.
Oh. $8?
Yeah, $3.
Zoo is $3.
Ayun, mayroon palang kwan eh. May kabayo. Ayan, maraming bata din.
There's a train.
You wanna see the train?
Look, it's right there.
Ayan, nakapila si Iman. Mukhang sasakay yata yan, oh. Sasakay na siya. Ayos, oh. Tinuhog-tuhog na bered. Mukhang train, ha. Sakay si Supuriman, oh. Tinuhog na drum. Ginawang parang train lang siya. Ay, Supuriman ng kabayo, oh. Ayan. Wow, parang magkakilala kami, ah, oh. Oh. Nagamon dyan. Bird. Gusto niya, oh. Mukhang gustong sumipa, ah. Mukhang kaya na sumipay kabayo, Jo. Ni Jo. Look at that. Taga-disbunan. Kabalyo.
Can I put
See? It's nice. Come on, touch it. The nose, Iman. You like the nose? Yeah. Try. Gusto niyang hawakan talaga, no? He's nice. Ha? Gusto niya. Hi. Nahawakan niya, oh. Wow, good boy. Yes. Kaya nga talaga yung ganan ni sir. Oh, sige.
stand on it?
Yeah, you can, yeah. If you can go. Like a Minecraft game. Huh? It isn't. Yeah?
Okay.
Go around there, oh. Oh.
I want to go down. I want to go in a maze. Wait, can I go?
Okay, go down. You jump. Slow down, jump.
I'm actually taller than
Okay, try to go out in the maze. Oh, where are you gonna go out? You have only 3 seconds. 30 minutes.
I know what to do.
Good job. Oh, yeah, you got only 20 seconds. Okay, go inside. There's goat. Say kambing. Kambing.
Yeah.
You can touch him, man.
So nice.
You scared with the goat? It's goat. He's not biting. Go around there. He's not gonna bite. Come on. Goat is goaty, man.
Carry that big guy.
Wow, naglumugan na eh.
He takes it all.
Naglumug niyo.
But he loves it.
Yeah.
Hello, mister. Yeah.
How my hands full.
Oh, yun oh. Yun. Come on. Okay, touch it. It's okay. Napapakanan na oh. You can touch him, man. Go to the small cam. Ito. Huh? Oh yeah. Okay. Feed that one.
No, you're not eating the whole thing. Watching pictures.
Okay, lagyan mo yung kamay mo.
Don't be scared with
The big is full already. Yun na naman. Nice. Okay, bigyan mo siya. Oh. Oh. You like the popcorn? Ivan, stay here.
Oh my. I haven't got a chance to pull out.
O yan, dito, bigyan mo sa kanya. Mayroong slide, Ivan. Yan. Okay, go. I will take a look if it's wet. But it's good. Kaya mayroon din silang laruan, no? A swing at saka slide.
Hi guys.
Yo, this look like spider park, ah.
Look.
You can? I think that's hard one.
It's talking. Is that monkey rock?
Oh, let's go to the zip line. Parang mahirap yan.
How about this?
Yeah, that's like that. You wanna do it?
It's a monkey ball.
It's monkey bar nga.
What is that?
Oh. You can? No. Zip line ito. Yeah, we can. Ayan, oh. Oh, I'll go get the rope, okay? Stay on here. Magsisip line si Super Iman. I'll give it to you. You can sit down here. You can? Huh? Oh.
Wait, no, don't let go.
Hold on. Hi guys, come on.
Hi guys.
It's safe.
Hi guys. I'm not sure about this, but I'm about to do a zip line.
Okay, this is a plan.
Okay.
You have to use your foot to in the tree, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Use your foot. Look at that. How is it? Huh? Just sit down. I'll let you go back. One more. Alright, parang maganda tong laruan namin, Iman, ah. Oh, one more.
That is the first one.
How is it, Super Iman? You like it?
I'm starting to lose grip. Wait.
So one more or?
Wait. How
Isa pa.
the hell?
Ayos, nakapag-zipline na siya. Whew. Sulit ang bayad namin, $3. Ha? Andito kami ngayon sa bus. Ayan, oh, daming kahoy. Maybe you can go up. Oh. That's only the purpose, you go up. Huh?
Yeah, but you also swing.
Yeah, okay, go. Oh. Umulit siya eh. Gusto pa raw niya. Oh, let's go.
Wait.
Iman, there's the bunny, oh. Iman. Ayan, oh.
Pet it.
Yeah, okay.
You pet the bunny. You pet the bunny. You pet the bunny.
Go pet the bunny. That's cat. Hey. Maraming bata rito.
Look at the cute rabbit here. Wait, I will carry it.
Sino kita doon sa may bunny?
Wait, pet the bunny.
Mo giti bunny ni, oh. Yan, ah.
How much does a pound milk? Oh, wait.
Buda.
What's the answer?
Watch out, the cat's gonna sleep again.
Okay, na nga talaga tipusa. Meron na siyang swing sa bike, swing pa.
Have a duck.
A duck. That's light. Okay, go slide. Wait mo ako, Iman. Sa sand. May kalaro siya. Oh. Okay. You're driver now. This is a farmer truck. That's a farmer truck, Iman. Oh. GMC siya. Oh. GMC. O sige, maglaro ka na maglaro.